92.3 FM Radio Manila, your favorite music radio, Ka-Vibes! Isang magandang afternoon sa lahat ng mga ka-vibes nating nakatutok sa atin. Of course, Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Oo, you heard me right. Dahil hindi lang po tayo sa radyo napapakinggan via 92.3 sa inyong mga transistor radio. Bagkus tayo rin po ay live na napapanood sa ating YouTube channel sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila. Kaya naman, shoutout agad-agad sa ating mga friends dyan, mga ka-vibes natin dyan sa Baguio, sa 102.3 Baguio at
pati na rin sa 97.5 FM Radio Jensen.
Hoy, ang taray, no? Siyempre naman sa Metro and Mega Manila, nandito na nga po ang inyong paboritong merienda tuwing alas 3 hanggang alas 5:30. Ito po ang Banana Crew! Kapiling ka bonding ang nag-iisang beshi ng bayan at ang Diyosa ng kalsada, walang iba. Ako po si Jaiho. Taas ang kamay!
Malibala sa mga nagmamaneho dyan.
Kasi syempre nag-drive ka, di ba?
Oo,
Taas mo yung kamay mo, mali. Oo.
At syempre kasama nyo rin ngayong hapong ito ang Chinitang Chikadora, ang bestie mo, ang bestie ko, ang bestie nyong lahat, Kim Chur. Nakalimutan yung ba? Kim Chur ba ho?
Ang ganda.
Ganda.
Yes.
Grabe, tamang timpla talaga.
Totoo, tamang timpla talaga, 'di ba? Oo, ako yung pinaka malaking bunganga sa radyo talaga. Yes, as in hindi bibig. Bunganga. Oo, samantalang ang partner ko naman ay very sweet girl with a beautiful face. Wow.
Thank you so much.
Totoo. Uy, bago ang lahat may kikwento pala ako. 'Di ba nung nakaraan nag-trending yung babaeng lumabas sa kanal? Oo.
Oo, bestie, 'di ba napag-usapan natin 'yun?
Tapos binigyan siya ng 80,000.
Yes!
Oo.
Grabe.
If ikaw halimbawa, yung magbibigay ng something doon sa babaeng lumabas sa kanal, bibigyan mo ng 80K o ano yung naisip mong pwedeng ibigay?
Siguro kung may pera ako, pangkabuhayan showcase.
Ay, ako din, same tayo.
Kasi 'di ba para alam mo 'yun, meron siyang income.
Totoo.
'Di ba?
Same tayo. Dapat parang negosyo package
Negosyo
yung binigay.
package.
Kasi nakita ko after na bigyan ng 80K,
Anong nangyari?
yung mga sumunod gusto na rin tumambay sa ilalim ng kanal at lumabas din sila. Talaga naman.
Sabi na.
Oo, pera-pera na lang din talaga, no? And ito kanina
Ano
umaga,
pa?
may bagong trending.
Oh.
May nagtitrending na babae naman na parang nilalangaw siya, tapos parang basta parang nilalanggam, ganyan-ganyan, napagkamalan siyang patay.
Ay.
Pero ang ending pala, lasing lang siya.
Anong nangyari sa
Ganun nga. Oo, nakita niyo ba yun? Basta nakita ko yun. Yung napagkamalan siyang patay, nakahandusay siya
Kasi
sa isang
nga,
lugar.
oo.
Tapos may mga langaw, nilalanggam na siya, ganyan. Tapos syempre nagkaroon ng komosyon, nagkagulo-kagulo, ganyan. Ang ending, nagising dahil lasing lang pala.
Nagulat silang lang.
Yes, oo. Nagising. Alam mo, hindi, nakakatawa man yung konteksto ng eksena. Pero 'di ba, kailangan seryosohin natin 'yan. Halimbawa, yan sa pag-inom, 'di ba? Kaya nga pinapaalala lagi, drink moderately and drink responsibly, 'di ba? Kapag hindi mo carry die, 'di ba? O kagaya ng babae si ate girl, 'di ba? Ang ending ano na lang, 'di ba? Hindi naman natin masisisi kung talagang walwalera si bakla, 'di ba?
Pwede naman magwalwal, pero yung kaya mo lang, 'di ba, bestie?
Totoo, tsaka naman huwag ka namang hihiga dun sa parang ang dumi na talagang natuyo na yung mga abo-abo sa kanya kaya napagkamalan siya. Oo, pero paalala po sa mga manginginom dyan, opo, okay lang naman po. 'Di ba, like occasional, uminom tayo ganyan, occasionally. 'Di ba? Pero wag naman yung parang hindi mo na talaga kayang buhatin yung sarili mo. Lalo na sa mga kabataan dyan. Oo, diba?
Ano ulam?
Hindi.
Ay, iba ba yun?
Si Neneng B yun, hindi ulam. Mali.
Mali.
Hindi yung mga kabataan dyan, diba? Okay lang naman din, diba? Pero ang importante, magpaalam sa magulang, mag-advise.
Correct.
At dapat mga tamang tao yung mga kasama ninyo. Yung aalagaan kayo. Kung sino-sino kayong pumunta doon, dapat uuwi kayo ng kayo-kayo pa rin.
Oo, totoo yun.
Diba ang ending, sama-sama kayo, pag uwi mo, iba, sino ka? Diba ganun? Hindi hindi pwede yung gano'n.
Naiwan ka.
Totoo, mali. O, diba? Anyway, 3:30 ang oras natin mga ka-vibes. Ito, tanungin natin kung ano rin ba sila. Nag-drink moderately and responsibly rin ba sila, diba? I-welcome na po natin live dito sa ating programa. Naku, napakagagwapo ng mga kasama natin.
Correct.
Bestie,
At ang tatangkad nila, bestie. Parang mga
Tama.
player to basketball player ata
Football
itong
player,
football
mga
player.
ganon.
Lahat na.
Totoo, nagmukha tayong keychain at nagmukha tayong, buti hindi tayo nakapalda ngayon. Kung hindi, magmumukha tayong sipa. Charing!
Ay!
Sipa, no? I-welcome na po natin, live and exclusive.
Banana Crew. Exclusive. Exclusive.
Mga ka-vibes, sabi namin sa inyo sa akin, ng aking bestie na si Kim Churba kanina. Sabi sa akin? Sabi namin sa inyo, meron tayong mga very, very special guests ngayon. I-welcome na po natin, unahin natin si Kane Gabriel. Hello! Lapit tayo ng konti sa mic para mas marinig tayo.
Ayan, hello guys. Hello mga ka-vibes. Thank you for having me back.
Yes,
welcome back.
Nung last time ba na nandito ka, nandito ako o wala rin?
Wala.
Oo, ayan o, diba? At least nga.
Finally.
Totoo. Wala na tayong masyadong absent ngayon. Tapos na kasi election season. Tapos na kasi election season, diba? Welcome back to the program. Ayan. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm still promoting my song na recently kinanta namin sa Miss Universe together with Alvaro and other artists.
Ay, antay.
So, yun ang pinagkakabisihan natin.
So, nung last time, ano yung song na pre-promote natin at plinay natin dito sa radyo?
Actually, nung oras na yon hindi pa siya officially part of the album para sa Miss Universe. It was a song that I produced and I wrote. And after a couple of, maybe a week, official na, naging part na rin siya. So it was Panaw, originally produced independently but now produced under the same, which is Empire, yung producer ng Reverie, which is the album.
Ay, antaray. Di ba yung Panaw, tama ba? Ibig sabihin niya parang namatay, gano'n.
Yes. So the song is about...
Sakto dun sa kwento namin na napagkamalan siyang pumanaw.
Totoo.
Dahil nasobrahan sa pagkawalwal.
Di ba yung babae nagtitrending ngayon?
Correct.
Napagkamalang nilalangaw na. Tapos di ba yung ano, tapos ang ending, enga lang pala si girl.
Sakto pala yun.
So parang ganun, Panaw is, bakit naman Panaw?
So Panaw is basically about ghosting. Pero yung story behind that kasi sobrang, parang ito yung ultimate story of ghosting.
Ay, ultimate na. Kumbaga, wala nang hihigit dito.
Kasi yung story ng friend ko na sinulat ko to para sa kanya, na-experience niya to. Nawala dun sa tinitirahan, nawala sa social media, nawala as in totally nawala.
Nahanap naman.
Ngayon nahanap naman daw after ilang years. So,
in fairness. So, ibig sabihin, may something sila, tapos parang bigla na lang niyang iniwan ng walang sabi-sabi, ganun.
lilipat na pala sa ibang bansa.
Talaga?
Ganun.
Ay, ano ba yan? Ang sakit naman yan. Na-experience mo na yan?
Funny enough, after ko siyang isulat, hindi ko pa siya na-experience, pero na-experience ko after. So, na-manifest siya.
Antara. Because words are very, very powerful. Diba? Oo. So, nangyari din sa'yo na may nang ghost sa'yo ng todo, may nang iwan sa'yo?
Yes, meron din.
Ay, gusto mo shoutout? Charing.
Hindi ako.
Gusto mo lang siya i-shoutout, diba? Kasi at least ngayon, diba, yung mga ganong experiences mo sa life, diba, nagagamit mo na siya to inspire yung mga taong parehas yung pinagdadaanan sa'yo. Yes.
So, guys, if meron kayong ghosting experience, I think Panaw would be
a perfect song, yes.
Para kunwari, nasa banyo kayo, naiyak.
Mahirap
Ay,
yan.
na.
Pag nasa banyo, iba kasing ginagawa ko.
Ay, iba pala.
Ano ginagawa?
I'm sure ginagawa niyo rin to pag nasa banyo kayo, diba?
Ginagawa ko rin ba to, bestie?
Oo naman.
Ayan.
Oo. Diba?
Ako din, lagi ko ginagawa yan for sure.
Kumakanta.
Yes,
Diba?
correct.
Sa banyo lang tayo nakakanta ng parang
Yes.
feeling natin maraming
Singer
audience.
tayo.
Yes, totoo. Thank you babalikan kita later. Ayan. Pero syempre, I'm getting so
Ayan.
emotional. And I'm feeling dizzy. Hindi no. And I believe that
Okay.
when I wake up kanina.
Okay,
wake
what
up-
happened?
Woke up. Choose the correct
When I
answer.
woke up. When I woke
Basta
up.
kung basta nagising ako kanina, okay ako eh.
Okay.
Nung nakita ko yung guest natin,
Okay, ano nangyari?
tapos tinanong ko, where are you from? Sabi
Okay,
niya,
sabi niya.
Chile.
Chile.
Yes.
Okay,
Spicy.
so manghang.
Charing. Nung nakita ko, Englishero dai.
Kaya nga eh.
Bakla
Papa-challenge na naman.
Nahihilo na ako, te.
Huh?
Parang totoo yung duduguin. Charing lang. Hello?
Ay, naging iba ang bestie ko. Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
London, di ba? London,
galing.
London. Hello, hi, welcome to the program.
Naging babae.
Tsaka pumipiyok. Charing. Nagdadalaga.
Nagiging matinis.
Welcome to the program. Hi, greet naman our ka-vibes all over the world.
Hello, Kabibes. I'm Alvaro, and well, how you say it? From Chile.
Yeah.
Spicy, very spicy. No?
Very spicy.
very
Yes.
spicy.
And of course, we have Alvaro. Do you have last name? Like, of course, Kane Gabriel.
Yes.
How about you, Alvaro?
Alvaro Andres.
Andres.
Uy, ang bongga. I have a friend, his last name is Alvaro,
And then?
and yung first name niya is Max.
Oh, really?
Max,
Max
Alvaro.
My name is kinda, it's like a mix. My name is kinda mixed.
Nag-explain siya. Bestie! May sinasabi siya.
Alam
Yes.
ko, hindi niya magigets yun. Pero yung mga nanonood at
Gets na
nakikinig
nila.
sa atin, gets nila yun. Hoy, sikat na ano yun, Guns yun. Huwag kang Gun. Isa lang siya.
Goon.
Ano?
Nakikita ko yung mukha.
Ha? Sabi na Alba. Ha? Charing. But I have a question for you. I have watched some of your videos online and you're part of the Eat Bulagas Foreignoy.
For no?
Yeah, but before everything else, from Chile.
Oh my God!
From Chile to the Philippines. How come? Ganon. But you understand, di ba? Oh, sabi sa iyo
Magaling.
How come?
How come you,
Well,
you end up here?
In 2023, I was studying acting in the university.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was my last year in the university. At the same time,
In the Philippines? No.
in Chile.
In
In
Chile.
Chile.
And at the same time, I was competing for Mr. Global.
Okay.
Oh.
That competition was in Thailand.
Sandali, wait, pause. Paano yung O? yung parang yung O mo, parang,
Oh.
parang ano ka? Yung
Alam mo, nagkamali pa ako ng, is it Chile or Chile?
Chile.
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 Bading mo naman sa Chile. Ano to? Jollibee?
I am,
Ano to, Jollibee?
Excuse
Original
me.
or spicy? Ganon.
kaya nga nagtatanong ako eh.
Bakla! Walang chili!
Kasi I heard it like, ang bilis niya kasi magsalita.
The accent kasi yun.
Sorry. Excuse my
You can
accent?
say Chile. You can say Chile.
Oh.
I don't understand.
Oh.
Hindi, yun nga yun kasi. Pero bakla, walang chili na lugar.
Ano,
Yun
Jolo,
yun.
may makukuha ka na namang clip, no? Okay.
Yung nakukuha ko clip sa'yo, parang lagi pang
Oh my goodness.
Parang, ang ganda na, I studied from a university.
Ang bilis
acting.
na- yeah,
Tapos yun natatala ka
sabi
na,
ko,
bansa ba yung Chile?
Is it Chile or Chile?
Alam mo, Bessie, mahal kita sa part na yan. Okay.
Okay.
Don't mind the chili, ha?
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
Maybe
Keep
she's,
with chili, it's
yeah,
nice.
maybe she's craving for KFC.
Oh, nag-mention pa ng brand.
Paano mo nakikinig, di
Sa
ba?
bagay.
Okay, going back.
Going back, I competed in Mr. Global. Later, I came back to my country, and
Country.
my agency, my actual agency, they asked me if I want to come here for work, like model.
Okay.
So I finished my career, I finished my process of Mr. Global, and then I decided to come here. First opportunity out of the country, so why not?
Why not, di ba? Let's try it.
Risk taker siya.
And of course, you have the background in acting already. So maybe, di ba, you can use that background here in the Philippines. But you're not, right now, you're more into modeling.
Into modeling.
And
Well, now I'm putting more my career like a singer.
as a singer,
Singer.
when did you discover that you can sing?
I lived when I was child with my father, so he sang every day, every minute. So yeah, maybe I live every day with that. Like my
that's
family
why.
singing.
Family
Your dad is
influence.
a singer.
No
just,
professional, but yeah,
Not
Not
professional.
professional, but he likes singing.
Uy, ang taray naman nun talaga. Tapos namana na. Sana
Naman.
lahat na mamana. No? Kasi kanta rin naman ang kanta yung nanay at tatay ko.
Bakit hindi naman, ano?
Totoo, yun naman ako sa nanay ko. Pag yung parang, anong meron, te? Anong latest?
Pagiging ano, no,
Oo,
chismosa.
chismosa. Anong latest? Ganon. Oo. And then, how was the experience? Of course, we Filipinos, modesty aside. Oh, sorry, may
Ay,
modesty
taray,
aside.
modesty aside.
Sorry, may modesty aside. Meron kasi ako ngayon.
Really?
Modesty
Ang galing.
aside. Oh, sorry.
Yes, very
No.
perfect.
But why are you laughing? Do you understand what I'm saying?
understand.
You understand?
Why are you
Oh my
smiling, bestie? Like you're asking, what is that?
Oy, disclaimer ha, Alvaro, I'm sorry, I'm not single. Ganda!
May pag ganon.
Gande, no? Gande!
Ang haba ng buhok, teka lang ah.
Tare. Alam mo, hindi short. Alam mo, hindi short.
Kaya nga.
Oo. Okay.
Okay. Going
So, I
back.
wanna ask you, diba, how's the experience? Because here in the Philippines, diba, we are, the connotation of every foreign friends from the other country, that Filipinos are very, very hospitable.
Yes.
So, how's your experience, of course, with everything that is happening to you now, the career that they promised you?
Well, for me, Philippines is my best country at the moment that I went. I went already to 5 countries, but this for me is the best because the same
best.
thing. The people is super friendly. I feel like everyone is family.
Yes.
They give you that that vibe. If you go to somewhere, they join you to everything.
Yes.
If you want to play something, let's go. And it's like you know the guys since long time ago, but actually you met that guys in the same day.
Oh, ang taray. So, very friends and family yung na-feel niya talaga. When you audition to Eat Bulaga for Foreignoy, oo.
When?
And I mean, when you audition to Foreignoy segment of Eat Bulaga, and of course, you've met the icons in TV industry, like the host, Bossing, Vic Soto, everybody there. How was it?
So nice. They are like my vibe. They're
As in,
they're really-
as in
Vibe.
ka-vibes.
Ka-vibes talaga.
Yes, oo, ka-vibes.
Magaling siya.
Yes, ka-vibes, diba?
Sobrang
Oo.
ko extrovert person.
Sobrang?
Ako extrovert person.
As in.
Yeah.
So, na-enjoy mo talaga yon. Oh, ang taray naman din talaga, no? In all fairness naman to Alvaro, what's the first Tagalog word na natutunan mo?
Ay, you don't want to know.
Ay, yes, because I
okay,
know.
I
oo,
know. I
yes.
know already.
Ako na si my favorite, mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita. Yes,
Oo.
mahal
Kasi-
kita daw, bestie.
Hindi ko masabi, baka nakikinig siya, kakabati lang namin. Wow! Ang ganda, no?
Pero dati, bumibitin ka na, mahal din kita.
Hindi nga kasi pwede.
hindi pwede, okay.
Kasi nga nakikinig.
sige.
Minomonitor niya na ako.
Okay,
Sinasabihan
sige.
niya na kasi ako. Oo.
Okay, sige. Women
Hi.
proper pala tayo.
Hindi, lola ko yun. Lola, hello sa'yo. Sorry.
It's your grandmother.
Because my grandmother is very, very strict.
Okay, very
Oh,
conservative
very
type.
conservative.
Okay.
So you're now venturing into as a singer.
Yes, as a
Yep.
singer.
If Kane's song is Panaw, that's the old or the new one?
The old one.
The old one.
The new one is
Nasa langit.
Nasa langit. Ang taray kasi pag pumanaw ka, nasa langit ka na nun talaga. eh.
Alam mo,
Oo.
galing, yes.
Totoo. Kapag pumanaw ka, diretso yung nasa langit. Pero yung iba, half-half.
Oo, dapat susunod na
Purgatorio
ganun.
muna.
Correct.
Ayan yan, dapat ganyan
Oo.
muna isusunod mong kanta.
Hindi, may limbo pa muna yon. Limbo pa
Okay.
muna yon. O, bago, hindi, purgatorio, limbo, bago yung
Yan.
langit. Kasi sa limbo, interview yun eh.
Oo,
Di
doon
ba?
mo malalaman eh.
Doon magkakaalaman kung
Husgahan
pasok
eh.
ka.
Correct.
Oo, diba? Kung may mga nagawang kasalanan.
Oo
Ba't
nga.
naman nasa langit naman?
This one wasn't actually written by me. It was written by Kiko Salazar.
Kiko Salazar is a very, very good friend of mine. Yes. He wrote all of my novelty songs before from Star Music.
Sample,
Yeah.
sample.
Shiwa kare kare. Ganon. Oh, kala nyo dyan na.
Parang hapon-hapon na sa kanila.
Yes. Saka yung isa ko pang song.
ano pa?
Agay, hey. Ganon. Si Kiko. So, bakit naman nasa langit? Of course, di ba pagka may composer or music producer, yung artist, tinatanong pa rin. Na, kunyari, how are your experiences mo, ganyan? Do you want to sing this song? Kasi itong song na to ay para sa ganito. Ano nangyari doon?
So, Nasa Langit is more of feeling cloud9 whenever you are seeing
Ay,
I see.
kilig-kiligan
more
naman.
of like butterflies
In the
your
stomach, yeah, ganon.
Ganyan yung feeling ng Nasa Langit. So, I actually sang it on I think deliberately sinulat nila ito about that because it is supposed to be sang during the last Walk of Chelsea.
Ang taray. Miss Universe,
Miss Universe.
Chelsea.
So that's really what the song is about. And as an artist, I immediately connected with the song because I also am feeling, those types of feeling every now and then. And ang daling makakonect talaga sa mga sinusulat ni Sir Kiko.
Totoo. Very nakaka-LSS talaga yung mga songs ni Kiko Salazar. Madali siyang matandaan. In fairness naman din talaga dyan sa friend
Galing.
ko na yan.
Si Sir Kiko.
How about Gina Manalo?
Ay.
Diyan yung lumalang ba ito? How about Gina Manalo?
Well, my song is My Moon.
Is it
Yes.
your first?
I love it. Especially if afternoon. Perfect sa juice yan. Mamoon.
Do you know Mamoon?
Mamoon.
Mamoon.
Mamoon is
Mamoon is like a bread.
Yes.
It's
really?
a soft bread. Yes.
Yes.
Oh, sorry ka. Maymoon. Maymoon, how are you? Sorry. Mali.
Mali
Why
pala.
naman Maymoon?
Well, the idea with Kiko also
Ay,
was...
si Kiko
Yeah,
din.
Kiko Salazar.
Tara naman ni Kiko talaga. Sinasabi ko
Galing.
sa'yo, Kiko.
So the idea was to express also that feelings in a woman in that moment. All the girls are gonna walk in the runway. Also, we try to refer. Who can say this? Like English. You try to refer to a person. In this case, a girl. So we try to put like a moon, the most beautiful thing that we can have, like in the night. Also, I don't know, any time with you, can give you light.
It's like serenading to a
Yes,
girl.
Yes.
Okay,
So,
I see.
How my kind of song is ballad, we also try to put that kind of beat, So it's very, very romantic, very sensitive song.
Kumbaga,
very
for
romantic
someone
daw.
you love or admire,
Yes.
diba? Oh, in fairness, no, my moon. Di ba meron tinatawag na to the moon and back? Di ba may ganon?
I love it to the moon.
Di ba? I
and
love it
back.
to the moon and back. So
Yes.
parang pwede siya dun kasi nga, you are my moon, di ba? Ang taray.
Ang ganda ng kanta nila parehas, no? Nasa
Correct.
langit at may moon.
I'm sure magkakaroon siya sa
Grabe.
susunod ng sun, sea, moon, sun, sea, moon.
Ay, tatawa sa kanila. Ganda naman sila. Tamuri sila. Oo nga.
ano?
Binibigyan mo sila ng
Yes,
idea. Diba? For their
Sun,
next.
sea,
Yes.
and moon. Sun, sea, moon. Oh,
Ang galing talaga.
yes. So, are you excited to listen to your song over the radio?
I'm super excited.
This is the first
Super
time
happy.
that in the national radio in the Philippines, actually all over the world, because we're live on YouTube, we're gonna be playing your song.
In my life.
Yeah.
My first time in my life. So,
First time in your
yes.
life.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Oh
so
my
much.
God, so this is very, very
Special.
memorable to
Yeah,
you and
very
special.
memorable, yeah.
You'll never forget me. Okay. Sa kami lang. Kahit may partner ako. Mi lang. Sobra! Tag mo yung friend mo talaga, di ba?
So far na talaga itong bestie kong ito.
Oo, tag mo yung friend mo na talagang masasabi mo talagang hashtag para-paraan. Di ba? No? So are you guys ready? We will listen to Alvaro's song first, My Moon, because you know what I'm saying. Charing. Yun na
Yes,
lang,
syempre,
oo.
diba? Pwedeng Tagalog na.
Oo, diba? Ito
Nasabi
na.
nila, ano ba yung scripture ba? Di nagsasalita, naubos yung English.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Kasi nung last time nawala ako, sinalo niya po.
Dugo talaga
Kinabukasan,
yung...
hindi po siya nakapasok.
Dinugo talaga yung ka-vibes.
Totoo. Ito na ha. We'll play your song na ha.
Okay, let's go.
Chikain mo muna, be.
Ang ganda, actually, una muna
Ano
is
ang ganda?
My
Hindi
Moon.
pa
Hindi,
napiplay.
wait lang. I-play natin. My Moon muna. Kasi nga, it's about a girl, diba? That you like. And then after it, kapag magkasama na kayo, parang yung feeling mo,
Oo.
nasa langit ka na.
Admiration
Diba? Diba? Bongga. Ang galing mo dyan, bestie. Kaya naman, let's play it!
Now na.
Now na, agad-agad.
92.3 FM Radio Manila. Banana Crew. Exclusive. 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 Exclusive.
We are back dito po sa 92.3 FM Radio Manila, your favorite music radio, Ka-Vibes. Napakinggan po natin first and exclusive ang Nasa Langit ni Kane Gabriel. Kane, what can you say? Dalawa na sa mga kanta mo ang pwedeng i-request dito sa 92.3.
Ayan, hello mga ka-vibes. Thank you for having me. And I'm inviting you to listen to my songs on all music streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, or anywhere. And also, you can request my song to be played here in 92.3 FM Radio Manila.
Yun! Nasa langit at ang panaw, diba?
Yes.
Kung pakiramdam mo, GV, kinikilig ang iyong puso dahil meron kang someone na napupusuan o kaya naman kasama mo yung someone na yun. Napakaganda pong gawing background music ang Nasa Langit. Of course, by Kane Gabriel. Thank you so much, Alvaro Maymun.
Thank you so much, Vibes, for having me here also. You can also hear my song in all the streaming platforms. Tapos,
you can request. Yeah! Galing naman talaga niya.
my song in 92.3 FM Radio Manila.
Yun! Maraming salamat sa pagbisita sa amin. Thank you so much, Kane. Thank you, Alvaro. At sa lahat ng mga tumutok sa atin. Hindi ba tayo dyan natatapos? Dahil gaya nga po ng aming ipinangako ng aking best na si Kim
meron
Sherba.
pang aabangan. Abangan natin ang ating very special guest din. Sila po ay hindi lang isa, dalawa, kundi 4.
Ay, taray. Sila lang po ang abangan ninyo. Wag na po kami dahil stay in po kami dito. Maraming salamat, Alvaro and Kane Gabriel. Kayo po ay nakatutok. Dito lang syempre, sabay-sabay tayo. Ito ang 92.3 FM Radio Manila, your favorite music radio, Ka-Vibes.
92.3 FM Radio Manila.